This video will discuss where to find the details of the storage quota used for each backup user account on AhsayCBS. First method is through the backup users page. Log in to AhsayCBS Web Management Console using the system or administrator account. Under Backup or Restore, go to Users, Groups, and Policies. Then select the Backup User tab. Look for the column Used Quota Deduped Recycle Bin. You can export the usage statistics by clicking the Export Users Usage Statistics to CSV button. Select a user, then click the button. Open the CSV file. Second method is to go to the statistics page of a backup user. Log into AhsayCBS Web Management Console using the system or administrator account. Under Backup or Restore, go to Users, Groups, and Policies. Select Backup User tab. Select a user. Go to Statistics. Then click the Summary tab. And lastly, for the third method, you may use Ahsay API methods. Refer to the AhsayCBS API Guide for API methods. Go to ahsay.com. Hover your cursor on the Support button, then click Administrator and User Guides. From the AhsayCBS tab, scroll down for the API Guide. Click View. Get User Storage Stat.do and Get Backup Set.do. You may have your developer review the AhsayCBS API Guide and the previous methods to create your own custom report.